This lecture we discuss about this linear law, graphical method. In a graphical method has such a drawback to being a produce a unique fitting curve. That is a drawback of graphical method. So this drawback overcomes by using the least square method, principle of least square method. Let us see what is the what approach of this principle least square method. Least square method. This is a IMP question. The least square method provides such a unique fitting curve. Suppose let us see what are these in this how to solve least square method and how to derive a unique fitting curve by using the least square method. So what is description of the least square method? Suppose let the curve y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus up to suppose k into x raised to m minus 1. This is the given curve binomial equation. Given curve be fitted to the set of n data points. Set of n data points. Set of n data points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 up to xn, yn. Set of n data points of this following curve. Let the curve, this is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube up to kx raised to m minus 1, where a, b, c up to k are arbitrary constant. We find that this constant value to best fit curve. Now, suppose let xi and yi the corresponding value of x and y, xi and yi where I is equal to 1 to n, be n set of b number of points. So n set of observation n set of observation and y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x be connecting two variables. Connecting two variables x and y. So here we can have a one curve and y is equal to f of x and set of observation x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 up to xn, yn. Suppose when x is equal to xi, then the observed value x is equal to xi, then observed value yi is equal to suppose we have x and y. Suppose y is equal to f of x some function. Suppose y is equal to 2x. We can put this x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 4. X is equal to 3, so y is equal to 6. Same as we have when we put x is equal to xi, something put the value of xi, we observe value of y. Then the observed value yi is equal to some, we can this PIMI. We can draw this, what is the PIMI? And so now, what is Pi and Mi? Let us draw a graph. This is 0, y and x. Suppose one point here, Mi, P1. M1 and P1. Suppose here M2, this point P2, like this point here M3 and P3 up to suppose Mn or Pn. So Pi Mi M1. So P1 M1, P2 M2, P3 M3, Pn Mn. When x is equal to xi, so first of all x is equal to x1, the observed value of y1 here x and y. So x1 y1. Put the x is equal to x1, so y is equal to y1. Put in this equation of the curve y is equal to f of x. X is equal to x1, so y is equal to f of x1, that means y1. x2, y2 is equal to f of x2. So whenever we put the value of x, so x is equal to xi, because I is equal to 1 to n observations. So x is equal to xi, then the observer value yi, observer value yi, this pi, p1, pi to mi, pi to mi, and corresponding expected value is, but corresponding expected value is f of xi. This is f of xi, suppose li mi. So what is the expected value? This is the, whenever we put x is equal to x1, this is the observation value. But expected value, suppose here L1. Our expected value is L1 M1. So P1 L1, this is an error. Because of this part are add into L1 M1. So this is an error. Suppose this is a observation value, but our expected value is this. So this type, this L2, so this is an error. Now P3 M3, suppose L3 M3. P3 M3, this is an observation value. Our expected value are L3 M3. So this portion are error. Same as, suppose Ln. Pn Mn total. Observation value are Pn Mn. But our expected value આપણે જરૂરી વેલ્યુ આટલી છે પણ આવે છે આટલી. કોઈ x બરાબર x1 કિંમત મૂકતા આવે છે P1 થી A1 પણ જરૂરી આટલી જ છે. x2 મૂકો તો આવે છે આટલી પણ જરૂરી અહીંયા સુધીની છે. P3 M3 x બરાબર x3 મૂકીએ તો આવે છે P3 M3 પણ જરૂરી L3 થી M3 છે. તો whenever we put this all types when x is equal to x1 in y is equal to f of x, it can represent this type of data. Our observation value are pi mi. In short, in each and every point we can describe the pi mi. Pi mi, this is the observation value, but we expected value are li mi. So in each and every point we have some type of error. We have each and every point these error are positive or negative, this type of error. So yi is equal to pi mi, in short x is equal to xi, but we can have I is equal to 1 to n set of observation, and corresponding expected value is li mi. Then so ei that means error. First E1 that means first error. E1 that means x1 y1. E1 that means y1 that means total. Y1 that means observation value are pi to mi, that means y1. But error, how to count this error? Error that means here, because of this L1 to M1, this is a expected value. We expected value this, but we have a value, observation value this. So error should be here. First error E1 is equal to y1, that means observation value, minus expected value. Expected value, that means expected value we represented this f of x1. F of x1. Same as E2, second error. Second error should come from this second value x is equal to x2. E2 is equal to, we have observed value y2, but expected value L2 to L2 M2, f of x2. Same as E3 is equal to P3 M3, total. Observation value P3 M3, but our expected value are L3 M3. So f of x3. So that means this is a error. Same as EI is equal to, whenever we put the x is equal to xi, error should come EI is equal to yi minus f of xi. For every x where I is equal to 1 to set of an observation. When we put x is equal to x1, then error should become x is equal to x2, then another error, x is equal to x3, then another error. Whenever we put x is equal to xi, then error should be ei is equal to yi minus f of xi. So expected value LI MI, here L2M, L1 M1, L2 M2, L3 M3 and Ln Mn. These even are, suppose here expected value here P2 and L2. Here error should be positive, but here error is a negative. Same as error should be positive or negative. Error should be positive and negative. So we try to equal weightage of this error, thus to give equal weightage, to such type of error, we will square off sum of, we will square each of these error, square each of these error and form their sum. Hence the total error become, we get total error, we should be represented total error, symbol capital E. Total error, that means E1 square plus E1 square plus E2 square plus E3 square plus up to En square, Ei square. So we can represent this expression like I is equal 1 to N, Ei square. So E is equal to, I is equal to 1 to N. So what is Ei? Ei, that means yi minus f of xi. Yi minus f of xi square. So E is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to N yi minus f of xi square. Now, this is the total error. Whenever these error, suppose these errors are negligible, these errors are negligible, then we try a smooth curve of this expected value, which is a best fit curve. So these errors should be a minimum or zero. Whenever these errors should be a zero, then you can get a best fit curve. So E should be a minimum or E should be a zero. So E should be a minimum. So now, if E is equal to 0, then suppose E is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to N yi minus f of xi square. So 0, sigma. So remove this square. So yi minus f of xi is equal to 0. So yi is equal to f of xi. Whenever E is equal to 0 in this equation, we should get yi is equal to f of xi. So yi is equal to f of xi. So what is yi? Yi, this is the observed value. What is f of xi? This is the expected value. So expected value and observation value are same. So we can now we can draw a smooth curve of this observation observed value and corresponding expected value, which can represent a best fit curve. So these are all errors are should be a 0 or minimum, then we can get a best fit curve. So y is equal to f of xi. So then for every I, that means all the point, lies on the curve. All the points lies on the curve. All the points lies on the curve. Y is equal to f of xi. When we put x is equal to xi, so yi. X is equal to x2, so y2. X is equal to x3, so we can put y. We can get a value of y3. All these points are on the curve. Otherwise, minimum of E, E should be minimum, then E should be minimum is the best fitting curve to data, is the best fitting curve to the full data. E should be minimum or 0. Here, E should be a minimum or 0. If E is equal to 0, that means all the errors are become a 0. Then y is equal to f of xi. So put the x is equal to x1, so y1. Put xi, suppose x is equal to x1, so this is can get a y1. x2 then get a y2. So this is the equation of the curve. So these points are on the same curve. This is a best fit curve. So E should be minimum, then it can get a best fit curve to the following data. So principle of the least square method are to get how to count, how to get error, and this error, sum of this error represent this capital A, and whenever E is equal to 0, E should be minimum, then if we can get a best fit curve. Note down. Now, using the best fit curve, we can find the fitting a straight line or fitting a parabola equation. Method of least square. So, using the least square method, we can fit the following curve. We can fit the following curve. We can fit the straight line equation. Y is equal to ax plus b, mx plus c something. And parabolic equation, parabolic curve. Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, or ax square plus bx. You can write this ax square plus bx plus c. You can write this any type of this equation. You can also fit this curve, the exponential curve. Exponential curve, y is equal to a into e raised to bx, and also First one, the curve y is equal to a into x raised to b. By using the least square method, we can fit straight line, we can find the best fit curve of the straight line, parabolic, exponential curve, and curve y is equal to ax raised to b. First one, we find the straight line, fitting a straight line by using the fitting a straight line by using the least square method. By using least square method. So we have a corresponding data, set of n observation data. Suppose let xi and yi, let xi and yi, where I is equal to 1 to up to n, be the set of n, be the n set of observation, n set of observation of related data, and y is equal to, previously we have discussed about y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus k into x raised to m minus 1, which is the curve. Here we can fit a straight line. So equation of the straight line, that means the curve of equation of the curve are y is equal to ax plus b. So we can have a curve equation y is equal to ax plus b, and we can have a following set of n observation, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 up to xn, yn, for the straight line equation ax plus b, with the straight line to be fitted. So for any x is equal to xi, the observed value, we can find the observed value and expected value. The observed value is yi. So equation of the yi is equal to axi plus b. yi is equal to axi plus b. So x, put any x is equal to xi, that means put the any x is equal to 4, 5, 6, then what is the changes in the equation? Same as put x is equal to xi, the observed value is suppose yi. Observed value is suppose yi. And corresponding value of n, corresponding expected value is corresponding expected value. We have discussed, we represented f of xi. So corresponding f of xi, we try to fitting a straight line. So for expected value as straight line f of xi. F of xi, that means axi plus b. So f of xi is equal to axi plus b. So the error at, so that the error at x is equal to xi, we can represent it at ei. So ei is equal to observed value minus error. કેવી રીતે મળશે? ટોટલ ઓબ્ઝર્વ માંથી એક્સપેક્ટેડ કાઢી નાખી. ટોટલ કુલ આટલી મળી હોય, પણ આપણે જરૂરી અહીંયા સુધી કુલ જે છે એને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કહેવાય, આટલી મળે છે એને એક્સપેક્ટેડ કહેવાય. તો આટલી એરર વધે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા સુધી. તો એરર આટલી ફાઇન્ડ કરવી હશે તો ટોટલ ઓબ્ઝર્વ વેલ્યુ માંથી એક્સપેક્ટેડ બાદ કરી દઈએ ટોટલ માંથી આટલું, તો આ જે છે એરર કાઉન્ટ થાય. ઓબ્ઝર્વ વેલ્યુ yi છે, કોરસ્પોન્ડિંગ એક્સપેક્ટેડ વેલ્યુ f of xi છે, ei minus f of xi. So error should become at x is equal to xi, where I is equal to 1 to set of n observation. Therefore we can return this from ei is equal to yi minus f of xi, that means axi plus b. Therefore sum of this square of this error, sum of the square of this error are capital E is equal to sigma I is equal 1 to n E1 square EI square. So capital E is equal to I is equal to 1 to n EI. Here there yi minus axi plus b whole square, that is EI and square. So E is equal to I is equal to 1 to n for n of set of observation data. But whenever E should be minimum or 0, then we can get a best fit curve. So E should be a minimum or 0 by the principle of principle of least square method. Principle of least square method, E should be minimum. E should be minimum. Minimum about E should be 0. Then partial derivative of this equation del E upon del A is equal to 0 because of A and B are constant, A and B, and del E upon del B is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Del E upon del A is equal to 0 and del E upon del B is equal to 0. These two forms. Whenever this E should be a minimum, errors are 0. Then we can get a best fit curve. So now we have del E upon del A is equal to 0. That means del E upon del A, del by del A, E that means sigma I is equal to 1 to n yi minus axi plus b whole square is equal to 0. We can partial derivative of this equation with respect to A. So 2 into yi sigma I is equal to 1 to n, 2 into yi minus axi plus b, and we partial derivative with respect to A. Then 2 આગળ આવી જશે, આનો આ જે ટર્મ છે એમ જ yi નું a ની સાપેક્ષ 0 માઇનસ axi નું a ની સાપેક્ષ minus xi, b નું a ની સાપેક્ષ 0. So is equal to 0. Here minus and 2 and here see minus should be exit of this sigma. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. Here yi minus axi plus b into xi, minus and 2. Minus 2 in arrange in the right hand side, so it should become a 0. Sigma I barabar 1 to n xi multiply by xi, so yi into xi minus a xi square minus b xi is equal to 0. Apply the sigma in each term. Sigma I barabar 1 to n yi xi minus ab constant. So let out means exits I is equal 1 to n xi square minus b a constant. So I is equal to 1 to n xi is equal to 0. So sigma I is equal 1 to n yi xi minus a is equal to, these two terms are in right hand side, so a into I is equal to 1 to a xi square plus b into I is equal to 1 to n xi. Let remove the all suffix, we should have, we get sigma suffix remove करिए दिए तो sigma xy is equal to a into sigma x square plus b into sigma x. This is the one equation. This is the normal equation of the fitting a straight line. This equation should be get from this error. And another equation, this is another equation retrieved from this expression. Note down. And now we derive this del E by del B is equal to 0. Now, second, del E upon del B is equal to 0. That means del by del B. E that means E is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n yi minus axi plus b square is equal to 0. This is expression or the partial derivative with respect to b. So 2 into sigma I is equal 1 to n yi minus axi plus b. બે આગળ આવી જશે આ ટર્મ સેમ જ yi નું b ની સાપેક્ષ 0 માઇનસ axi નું b ની સાપેક્ષ 0 માઇનસ b વધે માઇનસ b નું b ની સાપેક્ષ માઇનસ 1 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. તો માઇનસ આગળ લઈ લઈ માઇનસ 2 ને આ બાજુ જવા દઈશું 0. સિગ્મા i બરાબર 1 to n yi minus axi counts remove the parenthesis minus axi minus b is equal to 0. Apply the each term in sigma yi minus sigma I बराबर 1 to n sigma xi minus sigma I बराबर 1 to n b common 1 is equal to 0. So sigma I बराबर 1 to n yi minus a into sigma I बराबर 1 to n xi minus b into sigma 1 to n, that means sigma 1 is equal to n. These two terms are put in the right hand side and remove the suffix. So sigma yi बराबर 1 to n is equal to a into sigma I बराबर 1 to n sigma xi plus bn. Remove this all suffix. Sigma y बराबर a into sigma x plus bn. This equation and this equation, these two equations called a normal equation of the fitting a straight line. These two equations are normal equation of fitting a straight line. Note down.